Hello everyone, welcome back to the Mimic PC tutorial series. In today's video, we'll explore Chat-Bot Ollama, which allows you to create custom chatbots for your applications. We'll dive into its features such as understanding the dashboard, learning the basics of prompt creation, training a prompt for a pizza delivery chatbot, and train a chatbot to generate prompts for AI image creation. So first, let's understand the dashboard of Chat-Bot Ollama. This is the primary dashboard. As you can see, the UI is almost similar to ChatGPT. From here, we can start a new chat. You can even rename or delete the conversation. Choose a model from here. As of now, it contains Llama 2 and Llama 3 models. You can change the temperature value using the sliders below. If you want the model to be more specific, reduce the temperature value to about 0.2. If you want the model to be more innovative, set the temperature to roughly 0.8. One of the most outstanding features is the new prompt button. You can add multiple prompts to train chatbots. Later on, we will discuss this in detail. Additionally, you can easily import and export data in JSON format. From here, you can type a message or choose a prompt. For example, let's type a message. As you can see, it generates accurate results in seconds. Now let us compare the two models. I'll choose the Llama 2 model first, and we'll enter a message into the box below, and you can see that it generates an output in seconds. Click the settings icon above and scroll up. From here, set the model to Llama 3. Copy and paste the same message to test how this switch affects the results. As you can see, the Llama 2 model provides a detailed response, whereas Llama 3 generates a short and simple response. Refer to this table to find a model that suits your needs. Let us now explore the basics of creating prompts. A prompt is used to create custom chatbots based on your needs. You must follow a specific format to ensure that the chatbot understands your needs. The first is the system with the name you want for your chatbot. Next, consider the chatbot's role or goal, such as customer service, virtual assistants, and information providers. This is for the organization or service that the chatbot represents. Also include the chatbot's capabilities and limitations in the prompt. The final line is required to process the user's input. Here's a simple and short prompt example. We can create prompts using two methods. The first method involves typing your prompt directly into the system prompt box, and just start the conversation by entering a message in the box below. The second method uses the new prompt button. This allows all of the information, including the name, description, and prompt, to be saved properly. This can be accessed by typing / in the box below and sending the prompt. At first, the chatbot introduces himself and his capabilities. Simply begin the conversation by entering a message into the box. Now we'll use and train a prompt for our pizza delivery chatbot. This chatbot is designed to help customers with common problems such as expected delivery times and current best-selling items. So simply paste the prompt into the system prompt box, and just start the conversation by typing a message in the box below. Initially, the chatbot introduces himself and his capabilities. Type another message. As we had set the temperature to 1, the chatbot has provided a few product names and ongoing promotions on his own. Here's how you can train and experiment with the chatbot by asking multiple questions and observing the generated responses. Here is an advanced prompt for the same pizza delivery chatbot, which includes a menu and the restriction of not ordering through the chatbot. Instead, include a link to a website. Let's train another prompt that generates prompts for AI image creation. This chatbot transforms the user's simple prompt into a more detailed one, making it easier to create the visuals they want. So simply paste the prompt into the system prompt box, and just start the conversation by typing a message in the box below. As usual, the chatbot begins by introducing himself and his capabilities. I will type a few words based on the image I want, and as you can see, the chatbot generates a detailed prompt with only a few words. Here's a preview of the image I wanted and created using the same prompt. This is how a chatbot can help you with specific needs. That wraps our tutorial for today. Today we learned the basics of the Chat-Bot Ollama dashboard.